did prompt some very abrupt changes on Monday after it came down, passengers being told mid-flight to take their masks off. Can you share more about what the president's personal reaction was to the decision, to how it came down, and what unfolded over those couple of hours and the stories we're hearing about some of those flights?
I'm not sure we have a story here about some of those flights.
That we're hearing now about parents talking about being on a flight with their kids and then being concerned because they were mid-flight. But just what was his reaction to the decision and what happened then over the next couple of hours on Monday?
Well, we obviously didn't expect the decision because we wouldn't have known in advance how a court would act. And we disagreed with the decision immediately. So the immediate steps were to determine what power we had to respond to that. Obviously, that came in the form of the Department of Justice, came in the form of the CDC acting and putting out the statements that they did. But we also don't take photos of flights as data about how the country reacts to issues, as whether they're ripping off their masks or not. I mean, our focus here was seeing what power we had to preserve what we felt was in the public health interest of the country.
The president's COVID advisors concerned that there could be an increase in cases, a spike in cases in the coming weeks because specifically the mask mandate being lifted.
Well, I'm not going to make a projection of that because I'm not a doctor, and certainly I can check with our health team and see if they have any predictions of that. Obviously, they wanted more time because they've seen rising cases, and they feel it is in our interest to preserve the mask mandate, even for that short period of time, or have the authority moving forward in case cases go up, and we needed to take that step in the future. But I don't have a prediction of rising cases. I would point you to the CDC or other health officials. Go ahead.